everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I have a Stitch Fix box. It's my third box, and so far I am loving everything that my stylist has put together for me. So here is my new box. This is what I've got. There's the bundle here. Look at those colors. Totally different from one side to the other, right? Look at that. I love it. I can't wait to see what's in there. And then, so Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription company. Here's the return label, return bag. And it comes with a little note from your stylist and info about the garments you received. Here's all the info. There is a styling fee, a $20 styling fee, which can be applied to anything that you purchase. So let's get started in opening this bundle. Oh, I forgot to read the card. Let's see. Okay, hi Elizabeth. I'm so happy to hear that you have been excited to receive your fixes. That's why I love this work. To meet your request for a dress, I included the Collective Concepts white maxi dress. The dress is great for an evening out and can be layered with a denim jacket or cardigan if it gets chilly. I would pair this dress with a pair of strappy sandals for an on-trend look. The Margaret M. Deandra skirt is a looser fit skirt and has fantastic pops of color throughout. You can pair this with the Kenzie green blazer. Excuse me. The green shades in the skirt will really pop against the blazer. Last but not least, I included the Market and Spruce white top for you to meet your request for a white shirt. The blouse would look great with the skirt from your last box. Do you have any summer events coming up? Best, Stacy. So that's that. Very good. All right, let's get started. All right, let's see what I got. So this is the first item. It's a black shirt. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. I love it. So this one is Hawthorne. Let me see. This is by Francine Lace detail blouse by 41 Hawthorne. This is a medium and it's $54. It's very nice. Okay. All right, the next item is this white blouse. It's got like a little V-neck there and it has this really nice detailing. The texture, like I love this, it's so pretty. Okay, this one is by Market and Spruce. This is a medium and this is $58. All right, next we've got, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful dress. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for the summer. Strappy dress. Looks like it'll fit. Looks like it's a midi. So look at the bottom. Look how pretty that is. I love it. And it has like a slip underneath as well. Let's see what the brand is on this one. This is by Collective Concepts. This is a medium. It's called the Maya Maxi dress. And this one is $78. Okay, next we have a gorgeous green blazer. It's kind of like the one I got in my first box, in my first fix. I wonder if it's by the same brand. No, it's not. This is a Kenzie. This is by Kenzie. Look at the lining. Look how pretty that pattern is. It's so nice. I like it. Super soft. It's got little baby shoulder pads. This is a medium, and this one is $88. Very nice. And last, let's see this skirt she got for me. Super colorful. Oh my gosh, a little bit too much color for me, but hey, I asked for a skirt. I asked for like a loose skirt, so she delivered. We'll see how it fits. This one is by Margaret M. This is a large. This is the Deandra skirt, and this one is $68. Alrighty, let's see how everything works out. Here's the white top by Market and Spruce, and it fits great here. It's just a little bit tight in the back area. I don't like it so tight there. So it's like different material in the front than it is in the back. But it fits good. It's just a little bit tight back here. Here's the Margaret M skirt in a size large, and I do actually like it. It's a little bit big. It kind of moves around. It's stretchy material, so no zippers on the side or anything, so I just pulled it right up. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know what you think. It can easily slide down. But let me go ahead and try it on with the green blazer by Kenzie. And the blazer is a medium. Oh, I like the blazer. It's pretty good. Let me know what you think about the blazer and the skirt and the shirt. What do you think I should keep? Here's the maxi dress in medium, and it fits really good. I like it a lot. The material feels very soft and very good quality. And like I said earlier, it does have a slip underneath, so that's good. So I like this. Here's the For Hawthorne blouse, and I love this blouse. It fits perfect. I have a nude cami underneath because that's what I was wearing to work today, but I would probably put a black cami or strapless. But it's really nice. I really like this. I think this one might be a keeper.